Well, g'day, Curd Nerds. I'm very excited. This is a bit of a promo for tomorrow's 12 hours of cheese. So we are going to have some exciting things happening tomorrow. We're going to have many cheese making sessions. They're not so live, but I have edited them so they are simple to watch, and I'll be participating in the chat. So just think of that part of the live stream as a bit of a premiere video, which many of you have watched. Other than that, there are going to be many Q&A sessions during the day. So we're also going to have 3 live interviews, which will be very exciting. One from a cheesemaker in Canada, one from a cheesemaker in the US of A, and one from a cheesemaker here in Australia. So we also have a live cheese tasting. That will be my lunch, and fingers crossed, there will be a special guest appearing with me tasting the cheese, but we'll see how that goes. So I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag just yet. So during the sessions, we're going to be covering things like cheese making equipment. We're going to be making some very simple cheeses, paneer, some halloumi, bel panole, or belper cannoli, sorry, I should say, traditional feta, kefili, how to clean your cheesecloths, how to make bel paese. There's a bit of a sneaky course promo in there as well. Different cheese making baskets and what they're used for. The best cow's milk to use. How to make queso fresco. How to make brine for your cheese. How to make a jalapeno cheddar. How to make Jarlsberg. How to make Gouda or Gouda, whichever one you want to say. There'll also be some mold ripened cheeses, how to make my own creation Petit Bleu or Petit Bleu. How to make a fake camembert, which is a stabilized paste, washed curd, mold ripened cheese, and how to heat milk using a precision cooker. And finally, some of the other sessions will be how to make a tilsit and how to make Limburger. And as I mentioned, sprinkled through the day, there will be live Q&A sessions and where I will answer your questions in the chat. And there'll also be live interviews from 3 famous cheesemakers. So all very exciting stuff. I hope you can join me tomorrow. The link to the live stream is in the description below or in the little info button thingo up there. So please join me. Well, it's tomorrow my time at 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. But like I said, click through on the link down below to the live stream and you can set a reminder of when it's going to start, and it'll tell you what time it'll start in your own local time zone. Anyway, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I hope to see you at the live event, the massive live event, 12 Hours of Cheese. I'll see you tomorrow.